This is the third video in a row in one single month. This has never happened in the history of YouTube of this channel at least. I'm impressed of myself. I'm just doing it. I'm just crushing it. I'm just Okay, so welcome back to another episode of Tiny Tip. We are doing this and it's exciting. Last week we spoke about editing, all the tips that I gathered throughout the years through some experiences, and some of them were learned from my seniors. I was blessed to work with some amazing people in the past. So in this episode, let's talk about travel videos. Kyuki, that's another hot topic on this channel. And come on, who doesn't likes to watch travel videos? If you are someone who is making travel videos or someone who wants to make travel videos, planning to make his own channel, this video is for you. So let's get started. Okay, so the first things first, I am well known for this tip in the most negative way in my circle, in my friend circle. Because let's say if I've planned a shoot and I need someone else's help. So I call one of my friends and ask them if they're free or not. The very first question that they ask me is that, is this shoot in some locations like outdoors and some well-known locations? Because if it is, they know they have to sacrifice their sleep, and that's the tip. You have to wake up as early as possible and reach there around 5:30 to 6:30 before even sun rises. Because when you reach there before the sunrise, you have plenty of time to set up, because by the time sun rises, you can directly start shooting, and that's the perfect time. Because one, you get sunrise in your shot. Two, the lighting is amazing, it's soft, it's perfect. Three, there is no crowd. You can take as wide shots as possible. There's no problem. There's no one who is going to ruin your shot. Everyone is sleeping while you are out there and shooting and taking amazing shots. Have you ever wondered, in my last few videos, कोई भी shot देख लो आप, even if it's a wide shot on a mountain, on a waterfall, anywhere, it's just me and no crowd at all. Even in famous spots in my area, it's just me alone. Because of this tip, you know the secret now. So go and apply it in your videos and just take amazing shot. This tip is something that I've learned through very hard ways. In my first few travels, I used to carry a lot of stuff, which was something that I still regret. But with time and more travel experiences, I finally learned this. Especially when I was doing treks in Uttarakhand, I finally realized that having less luggage can help a lot to travel and even to make travel videos easier. Because see, you have three things when you go out for a travel. First thing is your luggage. You also have to take care of it. Second is you have to document your trip. You have to shoot your film entirely. And third, you also have to enjoy your trip. So doing all these three things simultaneously is a big hustle. And if there's even 1% of chance of lowering your hustle, you have to take it. So what do you sacrifice? You can't sacrifice shooting your videos, you can't sacrifice enjoying the place. So the only thing that is left is luggage. You have to sacrifice, you have to carry less luggage, because obviously अगर सामान कम होगा तो you will have less tension on your mind to carry that places to places. And if you have less tension, you can shoot amazing videos and you can enjoy the place as well. Okay, now this tip can be a bit debatable, because there are a lot of travel vloggers who just go out there and travel and shoot all the things, document all the stuff, come back, and while sitting on editing table, they decide how to make a story out of it. But me, on the other hand, I don't like this approach. I always create a structure in mind before I even go out and travel, because that really helps me to know what I'm going to shoot, and shooting becomes very easy because I know what shots I have to take. And that also helps me when I'm sitting on editing table. The entire film is ready in my head. I just have to create it in software itself. But having structure in mind does not mean that you have to follow it like a rule, because कुछ भी हो सकता है. When you are traveling, when you are on the road, there might be some problem. Now you have planned कि अपने को point A से point B पे जाना है, but there's a problem. You have to go to directly point C. So there's a change in a plan. So if there is situation like this, just be flexible, because that can be something that really adds into your video that you didn't really plan in your structure. So just be flexible. Have a structure in mind, because that will help you to make all the process very smooth, your shooting process and editing stuff. But always be flexible, because the main goal while traveling is to live the experience, not just to capture it. This tip can be a bit offensive to some people, but I'm ready to take the risk. Suppose you're traveling and the travel video is about Rajasthan or Kerala or Uttarakhand or whatever. When you talk about any place, the vlog is about a certain place. Try and show the essence of the place. Capture landscape, capture the essence, capture the people, Capture the lifestyle over there, capture the vibe of that place. Don't just show yourself in the camera talking about your stuff, talking about your amazing life. This is amazing. Just try and capture the essence of that place itself. Show the place. That's the reason why I have clicked the video on the first place. Okay, so this is the last step, but it is the most important one of this episode, is that when you are out there traveling, don't just focus on creating nice, amazing videos. Try and focus on living the moment, because that's what really matters. It's really not worth it to miss some of the most precious moments in life when you're traveling because you were busy taking time lapse of the clouds. That's not the reason why you should travel. You should travel because you want to learn new things, you want to learn new experiences, meet new people, have new conversations, because that's the true reason. That's the real essence of what traveling is. See, in this today's world, people are just more concerned about getting more likes rather than living the life itself. Everyone is just running into the cycle of narcissism. Everyone want to show themselves how amazing they are, how great their life is, even if in reality it's not. That's a completely wrong approach to live life. That's not our goal. We go out and travel because we really want to make good memories out of it. The travel videos that I've made in the past are not even 10%, not even close to 10% of real experiences that I have had while traveling those times. The number of people that I've met, the number of stories that I've heard, life-changing conversation I have heard on the rooftop of a hotel with the owner itself in Tekadi. Also having conversations about new business ideas with completely stranger in Jodhpur. I think he was from Netherlands. Dancing with a cute Spanish girl when I was in Uttarakhand. Also having late night conversations on a beach in Alleppey, talking about life. The number of people that I've met, the amount of food that I've tried in local areas, the conversations that I've had, the experiences that I've had. These are the things that I never captured in my camera, but I just lived them. I just lived them completely and in the most amazing way. They are not in my hard drives, they are not in my travel vlogs, but they are always in here and always in here. It's just one of the best memories that I have in me, and I'm really glad that I lived them. And I know this video is all about giving you guys tips about how to make really good travel videos, but at the same time, I think it's really important to let you guys know that this making videos and all those stuff, keep this as a part of your travel, not the main focus. Your main focus should always be to live the experience, make new memories, meet new people, have conversations and all those other stuff, because that's what really matters. No matter how amazing your videos are, if you didn't really live the experiences, it doesn't really matter. It's just not worth it, because that's really important, and I hope you really understand that and you agree with me on that. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. I hope that you found this informative. If you really like this video, share it with someone who you think will be helpful for them. And with that being said, go out and travel, shoot amazing videos, make new memories, and get in touch, share with me your stories. I would love to hear them. Also, if you have some questions and you want some more tips on any topics like storytelling, filmmaking, just let me know in comment section below. I would be really happy to help. And with all that, as always, you guys know, stay healthy, stay creative, and I will see you in the next one.